We have learned lesson number 1 earlier, and today we will be learning lesson number 2, my body. Children, you can recognize all the body parts. I know here options are also given as you have learned in previous classes. Just you have to pay attention on the spellings. Learn the spellings carefully because you have to fill the blanks with correct spellings. Which organ is this? Head. Next, ear, chin, shoulder, arm, finger, knee, and ankle. No need to write now. Later, children, you can fill the blanks. This is your homework. This side you can see eyes, nose. Next is what? Neck. Yes. Next, chest, elbow. Where is elbow? Here, this one. Elbow, stomach. Next, which part is given? Leg. Yes, you must have strong legs. Next is foot. Very good. You are able to recognize and name the body parts. You might be asked later on when I revise the chapter or I take the test, name any 10 body parts. Then you must be able to write the correct spelling of the body parts. Clear? So learn the spellings also. Move on to the next page. Have you all taken out the next page? Our body parts are also known as organs. What are they called? Organs. Body parts are also called organs. Spelling ORGANS. 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 You just keep your finger there and learn. Organ. Organs. So two types of organs are there. External organs and internal organs. External organs and internal organs. External organs are those organs which are seen, like you can see them outside your body, like hands, legs, eyes, ears. All these organs could be seen outside our body. So they are known as external organs. Internal organs. In means inside. Inside our body. Some organs are inside our body and they are called internal organs. Like, can you name some of the internal organs? Yes? Good. Brain is an internal organ, lungs, internal organs, heart, internal organs. All these are internal organs which you are not able to see from outside. Clear? So two types of organs are external organs, internal organs. Have you studied about any other kind of organs in the previous class? Think. Yes, some of you are able to answer. Sense organs. Clear. Sense organs. How many sense organs are there? What did you say? I couldn't hear. Yes. Some are saying 5. You are absolutely right, children. Those who said 5 sense organs are there. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. You can see the picture here. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. All these are sense organs. Sense organs are the organs which help us to know the things around us. Eyes help us to see the things. Nose help us to smell the things. Ear help us to hear sounds, and tongue help us to taste things. And what about the skin? Skin help us to feel the things. Like if you touch any hot thing, you will pull away your hand because you feel hot. And if your friend is pinching you, suppose, so you will feel pain and immediately you will remove your hand. So the skin helps us to feel. Clear? So name the five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, then yes, tongue and skin. Very good. Now, can you tell me how can you take care of all the sense organs? Eyes. What can you do for the eyes? Do not rub your eyes. Wash your hands with the clean water. Always watch the television from the distance. From a distance, watch television for a limited time. Limited time means for short period of time. You should not watch the television for 2 hours or 1 hour at a stretch. Clear? Now comes the ear. Ear, use earbuds to clean your ears. Never put any sharp object into your ear. So I have seen some of the children putting the pencil in their ears and all. Sharp object.